Hey guys, what's up? Today we are back with one of our easiest recipes you ever make. So for starters, we are going to put in our blueberries. Oh, you scared the heck out of me. We have somebody over here trying to scare Mama. We are then going to put in our pineapple.
Disgusting.
Little man's not a fan of the pineapple. We usually use it for our dough whips.
It smells so disgusting.
And then we have a scoop and a half of vanilla frozen yogurt. We do not use ice cream in this house anymore. Or actually, I shouldn't say that. I'm very rare. Actually, we'll use ice cream. But it is, like I said, very rare. Anyways. Little man keeps jumping in here and scaring me. Are you working on your math work?
Yeah.
So I will show you guys that in a second, actually, when we're done with the smoothie. So it's gonna let this blend a little bit. And here is little man's math work.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Good job.
Which is the missing number?
Oh, can you guys figure it out?
11, 12, 13. How many counters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good job. Can we take this off the screen for a little bit so I can see what the name of it is? Because Mommy keeps forgetting the name of it. No, not that. There we go. So that is the... Where is it? The grade 3... Oh, this one here?
Yeah.
The grade 2 math. Anyways, let's get back to our smoothie over there. Guys, I'm crazy and you're about to see why. And that's why we keep the cover on. I do love this blender by Hamilton Beach. Because you can literally take this whole part off. Open this up. And you get it perfectly. You want to get your muffins? Do you want to show them your little snack corner? Alright. So as you can see, we have some regular cooking foods down here. But over here we have fish and snack corner. So there's everything because of snacks. There's gummy bears, food snacks. There's got some goldfish in there as well. And over here is breakfast snacks. This morning is muffins, Pop-Tarts, and then up here we just have some basic pantry stuff. And that's our food. So we're just going to place this in the fridge until my husband's done cleaning so he has a nice, refreshing, healthy snack. As you can see, these are our basic pantry staples. You have fish and lunchables, pudding, Sprite, animal yogurt, potato salad, bagels, blenders, my favorite plain, Gatorade's your peanut butter cushions, orange juice, peppers. Let's see, get some cookies over here in my profile water. And that's that. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later.